Hello everybody, my name is Marion, and today we're gonna go over some news. Okay, I feel like you guys has to know what is going on into the market. Okay, because there is some news coming in soon that everybody's waiting for. Probably you don't know what I'm talking about, but everybody right now, every crypto investor is waiting for a Bitcoin ETF to be done in United States. Okay, so you have to know some news, and probably I'm gonna make one day a week just talking about news, what's going on on the crypto market. Okay, so going to coindex.com, we can see over here that guys Dogecoin. Dogecoin is not a joke anymore. Okay, yeah, man, it's starting as a meme, but right now look, it's 22,000% up in just 1 year. 20,000%. It's almost 23,000% up. That's freaking huge. It's number 4 right now. Okay, and then there's one more stuff over here because well, nobody predicted, nobody can tell you anything about Dogecoin that it will be one day in the number 4. Okay, in the top 4. No one predicted this, guys. So that's what I said many times. Crypto market, it's so unpredictable. It's crazy unpredictable. Bitcoin can go to $1 million, or you can go to drop to very low. Okay, so we're in a market where it's very very high risk, and also very high potential making some money. And CZ Binance says, I underestimate Doge, I underestimate Ethereum, BTC, and BNB, and many more. Yes, that's true. If you don't know who's CZ, then go ahead and follow him on Twitter, follow him on everywhere. He's the founder of the Binance. And if you're using Binance exchange, you have to follow him and see him because he posts a lot of news. He posts a lot of news about his Binance account, about any updates. So you must follow him, okay? Because BNB is a must-have coin. He's super great guy and super smart guy, okay? And you have to follow smart guys. Smart for guys. Yeah, if you wanna be rich, you have to follow rich. If you wanna be skinny, you have to follow skinny. If you wanna be bodybuilder, right? You have to be and follow bodybuilders, okay? Just follow where you want to be. So okay, let's go ahead and see that Ethereum is on fire. Okay, Ethereum was reaching about almost 2,500. Okay, right now it's cooling down a little bit, but man, Ethereum is crazy. Ethereum is crazy. Okay, BNB also 2,500. BNB is a Binance coin. It's a coin from Binance Exchange. You have to own this coin. Okay. Let's go over the news, see what's pumping Dogecoin, okay? Because there's a lot of new people coming into Dogecoin. A lot of people that don't really know what's going on, but they're pumping, and let's see what people say about Dogecoin. So Dogecoin hits new all-time high after eToro, Gemini, and listing. Okay, there's a reason why Dogecoin is pumping right now, as we can see. Let's go to 24-hour, a 24-hour pump, and we can see that Dogecoin has a 35% in 24-hour pump. Okay, and the reason why is that we got a new listing. Okay, eToro and Gemini listing. It's a big deal. It's a big deal. It's because they are multi-sig brokerage company, eToro, and they announced support for cryptocurrency on Monday. Okay, so they provided for more people to get access to Dogecoin. Okay, imagine this coin will be everywhere to buy. Then it's much easier to buy. Okay, you don't have to look for it. So if the coin is in many more and more exchanges, it has a big advantage. So Dogecoin top a fresh lifetime high on Tuesday, and a wake of new exchange listings. So the new listing opens Dogecoin to some 20 million users spread across the globe. Okay, so eToro, it's a new app that you can. It's a new exchange. It's been here for a couple of years. It's kind of new, but they have about 20 million users. 20 million users across the globe. It's a big deal. And since Dogecoin is all over the news, man. Well, probably you 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 must have some Dogecoins, bro. You know, that's all I can tell you. You may have just buy some, just in case. 'Cause it's kind of crazy now, man. I never ever think to say that, but maybe not right now because it's an all time high. Just let it cool a little bit, just at least a little bit to be in the red, and then buy some, yeah. Because yeah, it's something, man. It's something interesting. So Tuesday morning, Gemini announced it will support the member-based crypto, adding fuel to Dogecoin. Okay, so Tuesday morning today, Dogecoin has a pump again. Why? Because Gemini announced it will support the MEM-based crypto, and that's why they feel added to the today's news to pump it again. Additional buying pressure may have from basketball team Walkman Athletics decision to sell tickets for Dogecoins. So guys, it really depends how crazy people are, okay? Because they're going crazy for Dogecoin, okay? So let's say just imaginary, okay? It may happen, okay? It could happen. Let's say let's say Elon Musk tomorrow announced that Tesla accepting Dogecoin, okay? This is gonna be huge, and I'm pretty sure one day it's gonna happen. Sooner or later, I think he's gonna accept Dogecoin to buy Tesla. So if you wanna put something on black or on red, put something on black on Dogecoin, just in case. So yeah, that's a very interesting, man. Let's go over here. We got some people that are kind of protesting. Bank of England use it as a Bitcoin advertising board, stacking inflationary fears. So that's pretty funny, actually. Okay, in a bit of to wake people to the dangers of Monday monetary theory, a message that read: "Print money is stealing from the poor," accompanied by a Bitcoin symbol, was projected on the Bank of England. So I found this pretty cool, actually. They some people just that's a form of protesting. Okay, they just probably use a projector and they put printing money is stealing from the poor, and the sign of Bitcoin it's on Bank of England. That's pretty something very very impressive. Okay, the idea it's simple, but the power it says a lot of power. Okay, maybe you don't feel this, but I feel that this has a lot of power. It's a big huge protest to make this on the Bank of England. So yeah. Uh, Inflation fears, okay? This says Warren Buffett. Everybody should know Warren Buffett, I think. If you don't know who's Warren Buffett, that I can tell you that he's the most successful investor from the globe that is still walking on this planet, okay? He's the most successful investor for now. He's about 90 years old, but he's crazy, man. Whatever he invests, he makes a lot of money. So he thinks that inflation is coming, and it's coming faster than we think. So the weekend, so Warren Buffett addressed Berkshire Hathaway shareholders, warning that the company is facing inflation pressure. Okay, they have to raise prices probably. So the firm reported strong profits on 11.7 billion, but Buffett drew attention to rising prices due to economic stimulus and healing labor market. He added that people are flush with money and are willing to pay higher prices. Everybody has money right now, okay? Everybody has free money. That's is why we're going crazy, guys. We're seeing very substantial inflation. It's very interesting. We are raising prices. People are raising prices to us, and it's being accepted. Yeah, that is what happened when helicopter mines drop, okay? When everybody got money, the value it goes lower. It goes lower and lower. And the only one will benefit from this is gonna be crypto market, guys. So we're gonna make a lot of money. Let's go next. Let's see what's Ethereum over here said, okay? Ethereum short squeeze, push rally to new all-time high. Actually, I didn't know that, but I found out on the news today that there was a short squeeze for Ethereum, okay? And if you don't know what's a short squeeze, let me tell you over here, and then I'll tell you in my words. A short squeeze refers to when a short seller orders in the future market are liquidated in a short period of time. When the shorts are liquidated, short sellers will have to buy back their position. This automatically causes buyer demand to increase in the market. So short squeeze, I think we heard a lot of terms about short squeeze, right? So short squeeze is when people buying on leverage, okay, and they're betting on a certain price of the coin, and if the coin didn't reach it, right, the price is dropping down, they have to buy back, and when they buy back, they buy a huge amount of money. They injected a big amount of money, and price rises, okay. So that's kind of what short squeeze is. In the case of Ethereum, the last 24 hours has seen all-time high short liquidation across all derivatives exchanges, according to crypto analyst firm CryptoQuant. So CryptoQuant, I follow CryptoQuant, okay? If you know what you're looking for over here, you can see some pretty good information, and that's something I always check it with CryptoQuant. The cryptocurrency liquidation reached about 55 million in exit leverage long position, okay? $55 million in a long position. That's a lot of money flowing to Ethereum. So this caused price to surge to a new record high. So pretty much never invest with leverage, okay? Invest with your money, own money. Don't borrow money to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. It doesn't matter how bullish you are. I know Ethereum is gonna be 5,000 soon, but still, man, it's so unpredictable. Okay, don't borrow money and buy anything. Um, and also, as we see, Ethereum has been going up fast for a couple days, right? And the reason why it's going fast is just for most of the decentralized financial networks, the Ethereum ecosystem is considered a pioneer in the smart contracts market. So Ethereum is placed well ahead of everybody in terms of smart contracts. Okay, if you don't know what smart contract is, I think I have some videos down below. Just go look for them. So Ethereum is placed well ahead of everybody. So that's why it's benefiting the most right now. So the DeFi network, such as Uniswap, DEX, is based on Ethereum ecosystem and manages the majority of daily transaction on Ethereum. Thousands of developers are building applications that recreate traditional financial products in decentralized ways on top of Ethereum, and some more users wouldn't interact with those apps. They require Ethereum to conduct any transaction. So this is a statement by Sergey Nazarov. Sergey Nazarov is co-founder of Chainlink. Chainlink is a must-watch coin. Okay, probably you should have it because any coin has its own turn. Okay, you see some coins popping up, other one are cooling down, the other one's popping up crazy. Okay, Chainlink, yeah, it's right here. I think it's still a pretty nice deal right now. Okay, I don't say anybody to buy anything because this is very powerful and it's very responsible to tell anybody to buy something. I don't tell anyone to buy anything. I've been holding the link for a long time, and it's something you have to keep an eye on. Don't be surprised when it's gonna be a nice pump. All right, so what's next over here? Another news. S&P 500, right? As we can see, crypto is going into the more media. Okay, they go into more and more deep, and people are paying attention. The S&P Dow Jones indicates launch its first ever crypto index featuring Bitcoin and Ethereum. According to a published document detailing the methodology, the index includes the S&P Bitcoin index with major performance of Bitcoin and S&P Ethereum index. So another pump for Ethereum, guys, maybe you don't know, but I've been talking this many times on my previous videos. Canada has four Bitcoin ETFs and Ethereum ETFs. Okay, 4. And this is a big deal. Okay, an ETF is a form of investing for big investors. Okay, with big money. Okay, investors that are ready to buy millions of dollars, which they provide you custody. They provide you everything. Okay, you just send them money and they buy for you, they hold for you, and you are pretty much more secure. Okay, if you want to buy this way. How many ETFs we have in the United States? None. Okay, there's like, I don't know, maybe, I'm not sure for today's date, but there's like 10 ETFs applied already. It could be more. I haven't checked this for a while, but for the last ETF has been delayed. It's supposed to be already a result, but the SEC delayed the decision for 45 days more. So in 45 days, we may see an answer if we get an ETF or not. This is very important, and I think something to know. Okay, if you think that Bitcoin and Ethereum will have an ETF in the United States, probably you should buy something now. Okay, because there will be a huge pump. If this ETF will be delayed or will be revoked, then it will be different. Okay, it may not be a pump. The market may fall down a little bit because everybody and a lot of people, investors, they feel like it's time to be an ETF in the United States. Okay, there's ETF in Canada, there's ETF in Brazil, so it's time for US to make an ETF. So that will be very positive news. What's next over here? Bitcoin is okay. Let's see what's going on in the Bitcoin bear market already. So you know what? Everybody is talking about making money, but when it's time to talk about crypto winter or market drop, nobody likes that. Okay, and if you are honest with yourself, you have to understand that it will be a day when all freaking crypto market will drop. Okay, we can see 20% on Bitcoin drop. It's been a weeks ago or something like that. But don't be surprised, a 50 or 70 or 80% drop in the crypto market. So imagine all those coins are 80% drop down. Okay, that's why you have to make sure what price you're buying and what coin you're buying. The thing is that anytime a drop in the crypto comes, and when crypto comes back in the top 100 coins, you will see new coins. Some of them they go to zero, some of them they never come back. Okay, some of them they're just keeping very, very low and never wake up. This is the top 50, and man, most of them are new. Okay, from the previous crypto pump, they drop it, and now everything is it's booming, and we got new coins over here. We got so many new coins. Probably 80% of the coins are new that I've never seen before the crypto boom. Okay, so you have to be sure. I will make a video and show you my coins. I have coins that are now zero. Okay, I lost some money with them, but yeah, you have to be honest with you, because buying everything over here, uh, that's why it's risky. So I focus only on big good project. Okay, I used to buy all those shit coins. Now I'm paying attention more on what coins I buy. So yeah, crypto winter, it may be soon. But the idea that Bitcoin bull cycle is anywhere near finish is something that very few crypto investors would consider a real possibility. So I don't think we are at the top yet. I think there's still more room to go. I still believe that Bitcoin could be $100,000 this year, and I hope Ethereum will be 10,000. Okay, but the question is, it could be Ethereum $10,000 before Bitcoin will be $100,000. So it's not a surprise as long as everything is fine, as I said before, because crypto market is very unpredictable. It depends who opened the month. Okay, is anybody open the month over here from the government? I'm making a bad statement. Everything just decline. Okay, if everything is fine, we're going right now as we're going fine and we're going high, as long as nobody says anything negative. So the stock to flow trajectory suggests that rally is nowhere near done. So Bitcoin price action just can't get above 6,000 and stay there. Yeah, we see that Bitcoin has been $60,000 for trying to get to 60, and just get rejected. I think we still have some room to go, and we're not done yet for this time. Okay. Let's go over here, see Mr. Fed what says. Okay, Fed Vice Chair for supervision calls on bank regulators to pay more attention to cryptocurrency. Yeah, man, yeah, everybody is jumping. Okay, they just jumping crazy. The Federal Reserve top supervisor official has called on Bitcoin regulators to pay more attention to cryptocurrencies and stable coins. Okay, yeah. His comments followed by a number of major banks announcing that they will offering products based on cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin, to their clients. Yeah, the Federal Reserve Vice Chairman for Supervision Randall Quarles talked about cryptocurrency last week at a conference hosted by the Option Clearing Corporation. He urged banks regulators to pay more attention to stablecoins and cryptocurrency. Yeah, it's not surprising. Okay, not surprising. Everybody's watching crypto now. Man, I don't know how many people that turning away from crypto from the stock market and they watching crypto right now. Boy, that's so many people, man. I know people that just don't invest anymore in the traditional market. They're just watching crypto right now and buying crypto now. They don't even care anymore about stocks. Okay, stocks are pretty boring. They are boring. I have a lot of money in stocks, but they don't really move. Okay, I just double my money and that's it. So it's boring. I know doubling money in stock market is something you have to wait maybe 10 years. But yeah, I double my money in stock market in 1 year, and that's it. It's not moving anymore. Okay, but we can see the crypto is still moving high. Ethereum price is 3,500 as a record high as a weekly lows exchange as Dogecoin. Yeah, so again, Dogecoin is getting to weekly lows exchange. Because they are two brothers. They are smart, genius guys. Okay, if you wanna follow them, go ahead and see. They're something you can learn from them. Okay. So yeah, man. Pretty much that's it. And also there is some news about eBay. Okay, eBay says open to accept him to cryptocurrency in the future, exploring NFTs. Oh man, yeah. You know what? Jumping on a chain, yes, maybe. Are there some risks? Yeah, there are some risks. Okay, but once you get on a chain, then you getting where you go, right? So this is where the risks come from. Okay, so yeah, you may pay soon. If you wanna buy something from eBay, you may pay with Bitcoin. Okay, and the dollar becomes nothing every day. So you have a great day, and yeah, stay away from American dollar. American boy, stay away from American dollar. It's not good anymore, man.